Welcome to Fleetware's cutting-edge law enforcement and emergency services camera solution. In this two-part video series, we'll introduce you to our innovative hardware and software combination that is revolutionising the way law enforcement and emergency services agencies operate. In part one, we'll delve into the hardware components and their capabilities. Our solution integrates a range of hardware components to ensure that law enforcement and emergency services have the tools they need to effectively perform their duties. Let's begin with an overview of the hardware. First up is our in-vehicle mobile digital video recorder and cameras. The MDVR is the heart of our system, designed to capture high-quality video and audio within law enforcement vehicles. The MDVR seamlessly connects to multiple cameras placed in and around the vehicle to provide a comprehensive view of the surroundings. These cameras are rugged, weather-resistant and equipped with low light capabilities to ensure clear recordings even in challenging conditions. A crucial element is the dual-lens front-facing camera, equipped with both wide-angle and telephoto lenses, enabling officers to capture the entire scene with precision. In addition to the in-vehicle cameras, our solution includes body-worn cameras for officers in the field. These compact devices are lightweight, easy to use, and provide a first-person perspective of critical incidents. The body-worn cameras are equipped with advanced features like real-time GPS tracking, motion detection, voice activation, and live streaming to enhance situational awareness. Additionally, these cameras can be combined with the in-vehicle MDVR, facilitating the consolidation of evidence from both the body-worn cameras and the MDVR into a single case file. Our innovative Smart Pistol module is a game changer for law enforcement. It's designed to enhance accuracy and accountability when firearms are drawn. This module will activate all cameras within a 10-metre radius when the pistol is drawn, and it will also label the evidence in the case management platform. What sets us apart is our commitment to seamless integration. All components work together harmoniously, ensuring that data is shared effortlessly between the in-vehicle MDVR, body-worn cameras, Smart Pistol module, and the cloud-based software. In conclusion, our law enforcement and emergency services camera solution is a comprehensive, integrated system that equips officers with the tools they need to enhance safety, improve accountability, and streamline operations. Thank you for joining us in part one of this video series. In part two, we'll take a deeper dive into the software capabilities, demonstrating how our cloud-based solution truly transforms the way that law enforcement agencies manage their data and respond to incidents. Stay tuned for the next installment.